like a little bit of room around you but don't want to give up all your weekend maintaining it? This is a perfect size. Welcome to another listed by Jiby Thomas. Today we are at 667 Marshland Road. Just over 20 minutes to Christchurch CBD. This is a must view. This beautiful home offers 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom including 2 en-suites and a wine cellar. Recently undergone a massive renovation including double glazing, 3 heat pumps, 1 fireplace, insulations, you name it. Grey indoor-outdoor floor, perfect for family living and social gathering, good-sized kitchen with granite benchtop and a walk-in pantry. Just over 1500 square meter section and a generous 270 square meter dwelling, just over 20 minutes drive to Christchurch CBD. A unique property like this not going to last in the market forever. I'm Jiby Thomas from Mairehau. Give me a ring now before it's too late.